kade nivukile siphuma khona nathi. So igama lami ke ngumlondolozi ngwashusha ngwakhona khona la around. Mhlawumbe abanye bangibona futhi bangazi. Kubalekile ke singomakhelwane abanye kodwa ke njengamanje ngicela mhlawumbe mawukuthi ungijwayele ukungibona la emgwaqeni singabuka ngomahlo okujwayelana uyabo into kanjalo kwenza ukuthi uzongithatha serious uyizwe lento engiyishoyo because izokusiza i-echo. So igama ke ngumlondolozi I won't dwell much kakhulu kwi-vision ne-mission nomlando wenkampani ukuthi sayiqala kanjani, but okubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sinikhathalele kakhulu inkampani sayiqalela ukuthi sizo-enlighter iy'ngane zasemakhaya sibukelele i-unemployment. Unemployment e-South Africa is very very bad. Angifuni ukudlala ngani, kubheda ngale ndlela ukuthi angisho ukuthi bangcono, even odokotela basaqashwa ngenxa yezinto ezithize bathi imali ayikho nani nani nani. So leyo nto leyo kufanele ukuthi wena njengengane yomfundi waka-matric ikufakele i-challenge ukuthi yini engingayenza ukuze ngizibeke emathubeni. So besazi ukuthi hayi kunamakhozi ekwaziwayo ukuthi hayi ukwenze wona yabo uyaqashwa na kanjani, but nabo medicine abaqashwa. So kufanele ke sibe nale mentality ukuthi sitshele ukuthi even though sizo-varsity but kufanele sizakhele i-mindset ukuthi sizakhele amathuba omsebenzi. But that doesn't mean ukuthi akufanele siye-varsity. We can go sema-varsity but senze amakhozi abonakala engconywana compared to amakhozi ajwayelekile. Kwenza ukuthi sizoba semathubeni because you never know, mhlawumbe isimo sengashintsha. So ungathi uma ubona udokotela engaqashwanga bese uthi hayi umuntu wafunda 7 years akaqashwanga so mina why ngiye esikoleni yabo into kanjalo. So kufanele sibe naleyo nto leyo ke le mic iya echo. So bengicela ukuthi ngoba isikhathi sesihambile ngizoshaya nje i-vision ukuthi ngizoyifunda njengoba injalo kwenzela ukuthi sizoshesha. So our vision is to see future leaders excelling in careers once seen as impossible, breaking societal norms and thriving in part that are less recognized but full potential. So i-vision yethu as a limitless success ukuthi sinibone ne-excel ama-careers. Lama-careers ebenjani abecashile noma mhlawumbe ama-careers abebukelwe phansi but uthola ukuthi ane-full potential. So i-vision yethu kakhulu ukuthi sizonilethela ama-careers amanye niyawazi, amanye mhlawumbe nake nezwa ngaphansi, amanye akukhulunywa ngawo kakhulu but ane full potential in such a way kugcwele ingane zabilungu. I don't know nasekuthi zingcono but ingane zabantu abamnyama zincane kulawo makhozi ngenxa ukuthi those information or low information ibifihliwe kuthini. Ingane yomuntu omnyama kwazi ukuthi mayifunda bebe udokotela bebe ummeli nani nani nani, but lezi zinto lezo njengamanje nazo asisenawo amathuba but akhona ama-careers anjani anamathuba ukuthi banifihlela wona. So we make our time ukuthi sizame ukuthi sinilethele lawo mathuba lawo. Then i-mission yethu simply we are intended to shape the mindset of future leaders, inspiring them to explore diverse career paths for a successful and fulfilling future. So thina sifuna ukuthi ke sinishintshe sishape i-mindset yenu ukuthi ningayitshela ukuthi i-career ekhona kuphela yabo udokotela noma uba ummeli, but you must explore. Mengikhuluma ngo-explore ukuthi shuthi uvula amehlo akho ukuthi okay ngoba nayo i-career kanje kanje nje umfana wasekhaya ngiyamazi uyayenza nani nani, yiziphi ezinye izinto esingazazi noma ezibonakala zi-right noma ezibonakala zicashile but zine-full potential. So thina sizonishape leyo mindset. So amakhona ama-careers eniwaziyo esizokhuluma ngawo but akhona futhi namanye mhlawumbe okungenzeka abanye bazoqala ukwezwa. So i-Nakhunjani presentation is divided into 3 streams: humanities, commerce and science. Science is very broad, so angifuni ukugxila kakhulu but mase sifika ku-science nizobona nani ukuthi uhlukene kangakanani. But to make things fast sizoqala nge-humanities, wona awukho omningi kakhulu sizozama ukuthi sheshe. So bakhona abanye abafethu abazofika la ukuthi mina ngisho ezinye izinto. So ningathi mase nixwayeni bese nibona umfana lokho ekhuluma kakhulu nithi hey lo mfana wazoba nesicefe yabo into kanjalo. So it's just that i-position engikuyona. So qala ngo-humanities. Humanities wala ekhaya I was glad. Oh by the way, since sayiqala inkampani sifika la ekhaya, it was our first career exhibition. So matric 2025 wona wavula umnyango kwi-limitless access. So ingoba sasifuna ukuthi siqale endaweni yangasemakhaya la esiphuma khona nathi. So ngeke ngisho ukuthi shayani izandla sizobona ngani ukuthi nina njengoba size la okwesibili onyakeni siza la siqale eMbamba izolo. So njengoba siza la sine hope ukuthi izinto esizonitshela zona nizokwazi ukuthi ni-apply nisebenzise ngaphandle yabo. So sizoqala ku-humanities. Ku-humanities I was glad bengizwa ukuthi i-screen sethu sincane kakhulu, but into ngiyazi ukuthi abanye ababoni lapho, but ngizozama ukuthi ngifunde into njengoba injalo kwenza ukuthi kuzoshesha. So I was glad ukuthi humanities wala ekhaya uno-tourism, which is something that is very good. So humanities, tourism and history kahle kune-bachelor noma kune-program abayibiza ngani, i-Bachelor of Tourism Development and Management. So the program but it focuses on understanding, planning and managing tourism related activities and projects. Careers, ama-careers akule program le into ngaba yiyona is include tourism development practitioner, travel and tour operator, or heritage or cultural tourism officer. So i-Bachelor of Tourism Development Management, into engeke ngithande ngayo kakhulu ukuthi i-tourism bafethu is very broad. Ningababukela abantu baka humanities ngoba bethi benza ini i-tourism. Tourism is very broad, but into engeke ngisho kuyingane yenza i-tourism ukuthi i-tourism ungayibuki at a level ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza. So sibaningi sisazoba nemali sisazokuthanda ukuthi sinjani sihambe si-travel siyindaweni ezi-right yabo. So we need people abazoba ama-agent. Kwa tourism ke into ekufanele uyazi ukuthi ugcwele abelungu laphana yabo abaphethe ama-firm noma abama-agent ukuthi niyazazi ulimi laka tourism nina yabo, mina ngiyadlula nje. So abama-agent abaney'nkampani eziqasha abantu abamnyama ukuthi kube yibona abazofika ukuthi la ephathwa kuyithe into nje e-right, indawo e-right, i-lodge. Uzothothi uzobona umuntu omnyama kuyena utshengisa abelungu la izindawo ezi-right, thothi uphethe umlungu yabo. So we need thina-ke abantu abamnyama abazophatha iy'nkampani zani zama-tour agents yabo ukuthi kube yibona abazokwenza njani, abazomeneja baphinde badevelophe i-tourism. So this is one of the program-ke. So ngiyacala mhlawumbe mewukuthi khona indlela ukuthi ngabhala phansi ngayo niyibhale le program le, then if khona into ongayizwanga kahle amathuba ombuzo kakhulu sizovula, but ngeke sisavule kakhulu ngenxa yesikhathi. If khona into ongayizwala kahle uzoyibhala phansi, inamba yami nizoyithola bese siyaxhumana eceleni. So iyona-ke i-program eningayenza le, but niyenze nge-mindset. Niyakhuluma? Okay. Niyenze nge-mindset yokuthi nifuna ukwenza njani ukuvula ama-firm. Then ama-institute-ke ikhona i-UJ, i-UP nase-Nelson Mandela University. So uzonothisa-ke la ukuthi ama-varsity engizokhuluma ngawo kakhulu ama-varsity lapho ungajwayele ukuzwa ngawo, akusibo DUT no UKZN no MUT, because sifuna ukukhipha le mentality ukuthi iy'ngane zi-apply ku-COE kuphela. Nazi ukuthi akhona amanye ama-varsity, ungathi uye-varsity ngoba uthi uye-DUT kuphela. No, akhona amanye ama-varsity okufanele u-apply ukuze uzokhuphula amathuba ukuthi uthathe. So enye into-ke leso besiyichaze eceleni. Then bese kuba ne-Bachelor of Hospitality Management. It focuses on management service-oriented business, particularly hotels, restaurant, resort, event, and tourism operators. One can work as a hotel or lounge or restaurant manager, or even be a hospitality entrepreneur. Hospitality bafethu akusikukupheka kuphela. Yabo? So kufanele ikhiphe lo mentality. The hospitality, the word itself means ukuphatha kahle, yabo. So mesikhuluma nge-hospitality sichaza ukuthi, so if mina sengifikile endaweni ethize ngizovakasha, I need people abazoyenza sure ukuthi lapho engifike khona ngenze njani, ngiphatheke kahle, yabo, into kanjalo kwenza ukuthi ngizokwenza njani, ngizobuya. So abantu abenze le Bachelor of Hospitality Management ibona-ke abantu ababa namathuba okuthini baze bavule amahhotela, ukwazi ukuvula ihhotela lakho wenze sure ukuthi abantu obaqashile baphatha kahle ama-tourist akho. So this is one of the program ekufanele nibheke nina ka-humanities ukuthi niyayibheka, ungabe ukuthi mubone igama elithi hospitality bese ucanga uchef, yabo. Yes, you can work as a chef, but nina kufanele nenzani, nivula ama-catering eni, because ngeke ungitshela ungawushiswa amabhodwe impilo yakho yonke, yabo. So ungayivula inkampani yakho as a chef if you are thanda ngempela ukupheka, because bakhona abantu abakuthanda ngempela ukupheka. Sisazoshada sibe nemicimbi, we need people abazosebenza njani, bazokwenza i-catering. So itholakala ke eTUT, CPUT, NMU, CPUT, Cape Peninsula University, ise Cape Town, yabo. So TUT nase ise, I think ise ngale ku Free State noma ePretoria. So siyadlula. Then bese kuba yini? I-Bachelor in Media and Communication teaches how to create and manage communication and media content across television, radio, print, and digital platforms. One can be a journalist, producer, social media manager, public relations and communication officer. Lastly, a content creator. Not a content creator ke le nje yama challenge. Content creator yangampela ozimisela ukuthi wenze something ozoziphilisa ngawe ngampela yabo. So if uthanda interested kwi media ne communication noma uthanda ukusakaza nani, this is a program that is right for you. Ungathi uyosakaza lapha ngenxa ukuthi uthi une skill phela so uyakwazi ukukhuluma uyayithemba wena eradweni. But if une qualification ukuthi lento okukhuluma wayifundela ngampela, you do have amanye ama qualities ekuthenini ukwazi ukukhuluma professional, this is a program ozokwazi ukuthi uyenze yabo. So engeke iprogram mhlawumbe ngicishe yokugcina le kwa humanities, but i-Bachelor of Social Science looks at how humans behave, how government and politics can develop people. One can work as a community development practitioner, government administrator, and public policy specialist. So this course, if you're interested in political science, that's political science. If you're interested in political science, this is one of the recommended courses ongakwazi ukuthi upreach ngawo ukuze uwenze political science. So le course ke lena njengoba bechaza ukuthi it looks at how human behave. Shuthi sibheka abantu ukuthi baphila kanjani and how other factors emhlabeni ba affecta kanjani, and thina what can we do ukuze senze impilo yabantu ibe ngcono. Kahle kahle kakhulu futhi usenza ka government lanta okuyibona akufanele basilethele idingo. Kahle kahle iyona into ekufanele bayenze le abafundele ukuze bazi ukuthi thina njengabantu abahlala la eGcilima yini esiyidingayo and kufanele siyithole kanjani lezo idingo lezo. So ama institute ke Northwest University, University of Fort Hare, Eastern Cape, bese ba UP. Then ama minimum requirements bafethu sizamile ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngathi mase ni apply ku ngizobona lapha ukuthi level 4 24 points lawo ma points ngicela ninga stick kuwona because into yakudala le into I'm not sure ukuthi basayimisela ukuthi bayi amend. Into ekhona njengamanje i-competition is very high. So muno 24 points, I don't want to discourage you ukuthi ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi wena uzoba ne-mentality ukuthi mesithi aim high uthi hayi ngeke lokho kobani, wazi ukuthi uzinciphisela amathuba ukuthi uthole imfundo e-right, uyabo into kanjalo. So lawo ma points ke lawa esiwabhalile, at least umfundi waka humanities ungatholi ngaphansi kwa 30 points, at least aim high bafethu kwenzela ukuthi uzozikhuphuleka amathuba. Even naka humanities i-competition ikhona, akusikuthi science kuphela no competition. So at least uqale ku 30 to 35 points unyukele phezulu, then bese uthole at least a minimum of level akusabonakali ke lapho level 5 ku tourism, level 5 ku tourism, history, at least nakuSingisi. Then kuMaths aim above level 4. KuMaths bafethu ngicela nithole level 4 kuya phezulu yabo, because nayo i-Maths okokuqala if une-maths ne-pure maths awufani nomuntu one-Maths. So uma une-Maths wena u-level 6 we-Maths ucishe afane no-level 4 we-maths. So if ufunda i-Maths you really need to aim high because iyakulimita somehow. But if uphase kakhulu i-Maths akhona amathuba owatholayo. So bengicela ukuthi sidlulele ku commerce, if ikhona imibuzo ka humanities mhlawumbe singayamukela, but ngicela ukuthi mhlawumbe kube brief. Sizozama yonke indlela ukuthi sidlule siye commerce, no commerce awukho that brief. So ama course alapha na akusho ukuthi kwa humanities ile ama course kuphela ningawenza. It's just that yiwona ama course sibone ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe sithi kwagqamisa kancane because ubona ngathana amathuba kakhulu. So if ikhona imibuzo eninayo ku humanities it's fine ngingabuza, but if inisaba inamba yami nizoyithola nikwazi ukungibuza eceleni. Okay, sure. Sacela ukuthi sidlulele ku commerce streams. Bengicela ukuthi mhlawumbe before siqhubeke ngiyazi ukuthi nikhathele, but ungaphiki nomuntu oseceleni. Okay, ningaphiki nomuntu oseceleni la ka matric. Sizwana, sacela ungaphiki nomuntu oseceleni, siphuma ama background angafani. Ngicela nikhumbule lokho. Umuntu kunokwenzeka ukuthi kunomuntu la one information eningi mhlawumbe kubo kunabantu abafundile kubo. Thothi wena awunayo umuntu ongakwazi ukuncela usizo kuyena. So yilona ithuba leli sinilethele lona ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sinike information. So ngisacela ukuthi if nizama ngempela ukuthi ni focus. Ngizocela ukuthi ngidedele uNtobeko ozofika azokhuluma ngocommerce. Mhlawumbe i-course eyodwa engingaqala ngayo bese naqhubeka ungene kwa-commerce. Siyazi ukuthi most of you guys want to be ama-CAs. Yabona ufuna ukuba ama-CAs, chartered accountant and all those things. So kune-Bachelor of Accounting Science, which is a preferred qualification for one to become a CA. So if ufuna ukuba i-CA, this is a program ofanele uyibhekisise because it's one of the preferred qualifications ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ugcine uba i-CA. So yona-ke i-minimum requirements yakhona at least kumele uthole u-40 points because ukuba i-CA bafethu kuyabiza. Ukuba i-CA kuyabiza ngale ndlela ukuthi cishe kufana nokwenza i-medicine. So sazofika kwa-health yabe-medicine. So kona-ke for ukuze ukwazi ukuthi i-Bachelor of Accounting Science kumele ube no-6 or 7 kwi-maths noma nakwi-accounting. So kwi-Commons accounting, please really aim high. Ungayitshela ukuthi uzuzilimit. So ama-course-ke atholakala e-UKZN, e-UP, e-UCT, ne-UJ. So if you wanna be a CA, amanye ama-varsity kufanele niwabheke lapha. So ngizocela ukuthi ngidedele uNtobeko naye ezoshaya ikhindi kwa-commerce sizama ukuthi sidlulele kwa-science.
Sanibona. Ninjani? Okay, igama lami uNtobeko. Mina ngizoshaya u-fast qhwi ngoba sengikhathele nami. Bese ka-commerce khona i-internal auditing. It checks whether the business or company's financial operational systems are working properly. So, international auditing ba-check amabhuku. Wonke ubuqophololo obenzakalayo internal auditor iyabuthola. Khona external auditor. I think about accounting bayazi in external audit and internal. Bayamazi umehluko ngani? Thank you. Okay, itholakala eVeti, ise-NMU nase-USU. Lana minimum requirement yama points is 33 points. Is minimum. Basically, BigCom Business Management. It focuses on management opportunities. If you want to become a management consultant or business innovator, business management, yes, sure. You're managing a business. If you want to start a business, ufunda business management. Or if you want to manage a business, or you want to become a business analyst, iyatholakala e-UJ, iyatholakala e-UP nase-UKZN. Zikhona-ke ezinye izindawo etholakala kuzona futhi. Bese bakhona i-diploma in taxation. Ngofuna ukusebenza ka-SARS, u-tax abantu, ngayo i-course yakho. Ngofuna ukusebenzela mhlawumbe ikampani, ubheka amabhuku wayo, ubakhokhele i-tax. This is the career. Itholakala e-DUT nase-TUT, zikhona ezinye futhi ungashaya research uzithole. The minimum requirement is 33 points and level 6 kwi-maths. Uma wenza i-maths uzoba nenkinga. Accounting nje uzoba nenkinga. Okay, i-science njengoba seshilo kumfowashosho ukuthi it's very broad. Mina ngenza IT, so ngizobe ngipresente i-IT kuphela. Okay, yazi IT ayikho la ekhaya. Abanye bayithathela phansi. So Ngisangizwa? Wena ekho lempahla. Okay, so ngoba ningayazi IT ngizonifundisa. Ngizonika ama-example ukuze nibe nayo i-idea ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. I-computer science is the study of computers, including theory, design, development, and application. So, computer science, you're basically trying to find out ukuthi i-computer isebenza kanjani. I-computer language yayo ikhuluma in binary, in zeros and ones. Abantu abathola lokho ama-computer scientist. I think i-computer science is at the top ka-IT, inemali nayo. Ikhona e-UCT, ikhona e-WITS, ikhona e-UP, ikhona e-UKZN. Bese kuba yi-software engineering. It involves coding, system design, application development. I-software engineering basically ngizokwenza umzampula nge-app yaka FNB hlampe. So abantu abayakhile leya app leya ama-software engineers. Mekunenkinga hlampe kune-delay ama-software engineers ababizwayo ukuthi bazoyilungisa. So i-system, yonke i-system i-system ilento. Nangezwa? Okay. I-system is-software. Nazi na edithini system na ana ngizothi i-app, angivele ngithi i-app. I-app yaka FNB. Ama-software engineers bayayibuilda, bayayidesigna, bayayithesta, bese bayamaintaina ukuthi iqhubeke isebenze kahle. Itholakala eStellenbosch, itholakala e-UJ nase-UP. Bese kuba i-data analytics and data science. So ama-data analytics ba-collecta i-data. Hayi le data lelo othengayo uyifaka efonini yakho. I-data is information. Ngizokwenza i-example ngo-matric wa last year. So uminister ngomsombuluko uzobe ethula ama-results. Uzofika hlampe athi i-pass rate yase South Africa yonke u-86%. Ama-data analytics iwona a-collecta leyo information bese bafike nenamba eyodwa ukuthi it's 86%. Bese kuba i-data science. I-data scientist it predicts ama-future. Babheka bathatha i-information yama-data analytics bese ba-predict i-future. Babheka ukuthi okay, this year i-pass rate is 86%. Yini hlampe ama-factors a-include ukuthi le mpahla izifike ku-86%. If kushintsha izinto ba-predict ukuthi okay, shuthi next year kuzobe ku-88%. Ngabe niyangizwa? Thank you. Bese itholakala e-UKZN, ise-UP nase-UCT. Kubese kuba i-favorite yami into engifuna ukuyenza i-cyber security. Cyber security programs teaches skills in protecting systems and network from threats. So ngizophinda futhi kwi-app yaka FNB. Mo ungena ka FNB ungena nge-password or ama-biometrics. So leyo password leyo kukhona ama-cyber security ukuthi ayi-protect from abantu abahekhayo. Ifoni yakho namhlanje ayikahekwa because of ama-cyber security. So ama-cyber security are everywhere. Everywhere, every company has a cyber security. So imisebenzi iminingi la ka-cyber security. I-coding incane, it's theory eningi. Minimum requirement is 32 points to 38 points. Yes, I think yokugcina leyo ka-IT. Yabonga.
Awudlule. Ngathi ilokho ke kwa-IT, udlule ku-actual science siqale nge-engineering. Ngicathi sizokhona ngifuna siqale nge-engineering lab because kunezizathu esithize ngifuna sisibhekisise. Then we'll come back kulama industries lawo. Okay, siyabonga. Ku-engineering bafethu. Okay. Ku-engineering, kune course abayibiza nge-mechatronics engineering. So mekhuluma engineering akukhulumi ngo-electrical, mechanical, chemical, yabo. So i-broad engineering. So siya introduce lezi zinto kwenze ukuthi uyibhale phansi bese uyahamba uyo-researcha ngayo. Thola ukuthi mhlawumbe ngaku-interest, yabo. So i-mechatronics, it integrates mechanical, electrical components and control system engineering. It involves robotic automation, AI systems, and advanced manufacturing. So i-mechatronics, it integrates noma ihlanganisa i-mechanical ne-electrical kanjalo ne-AI, yabo. So badila kakhulu nabantu abenza ama-robots nani. So we wouldn't run away from the fact ukuthi umhlaba uya kulezi zinto zama-robots. Even manje esibhedlela kungakuthusi ukuthi kunama-surgeries enziwa nge-robots, yabo. So we need mechatronic engineers abazofika basabenze njani bakwazi ukuthi babe ne-interest ekuthenini basakhele lawo ma-robots ukuze sizokwazi ukwenza izinto. So itholakala kuphi ke eStellenbosch, i-UCT nase-Wits. So iwona ama-varsities anale offerisha a good quality yale course le. So kufanele ibhekisise ke lento leyo. So if you are interested ku-engineering, lama course aka-engineering azobalwa la beside la amanye ajwayelekile. You should note them down, uhambe uyabheka mhlawumbe ngaku-interest, yabo. Then bese siya kwi-biomedical engineering. Biomedical, bio means life, angithi, medical, ezempilo, engineering. Shuthi engineering yakuphi yaseyibhedlela nani nakwa-health. So into eyenzakalayo it's implement engineering principles and technical in the solution of problems in biology, medicine, dentistry, veterinary science. They design and develop medical instruments and devices like cardiac valves, surgical implants. So mengikhuluma nge-biomedical engineering, khuluma nge-engineering, u-engineer wasesibhedlela. So uma ufika esibhedlela bona yonke le machine leya ekhona laphana, leyo machine leyo isuke yenziwe ama-engineers but afocuse kutheni benze izinto zaka-health. So mesikhuluma ngama-cardiac valves, sikhuluma nge-valve yenhliziyo. So inhliziyo inama-valves enza ukuthi igazi liphume. So kuyenzeka umuntu uthothi usehambe i-heart valves yakhe ayisasebenzi kahle. So we need ama-biomedical engineers abazosakhela i-heart valve ukuthi mesikwenza i-surgery sifake i-heart valve yensimbi, yabo. Noma nenhliziyo khona abantu abanenhliziyo yensimbi. Ngicathi mhlawumbe nisazokubuka lokho nihamba isikhathini. Then if uphukile umlenze sikufaka insimbi umlenze, yabo, into kanjalo zonke lezi zinto lezo. Or even ama-MRIs or ultrasound. So if a pregnant woman uzo-check heartbeat ngani. So le nto le abayenza i-ultrasound yenziwe i-biomedical engineering. So do you see how interesting is biomedical engineering, yabo? So it's really interesting. So kufanele nibheke kugcwele abelungu namandiya abantu abamnyama bancane. So kufanele niyozenza lezo zinto lezo. So itholakala kuphi e-Wits, e-UP, CPUT. Then ngizodedela uNakhunjana uXolani okuyena ozokhuluma kakhulu ngalamanye because uyazazi lezi zinto lezi.
Sanibona. Ninjani? Igama lami nguXolani, abanye bangazi nge-nickname yami ke engeke ngize ngisho. Ya. Cela ukuthi sithathane serious. Ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe abanye benu mhlawumbe siyalingana, yabo. Kodwa ke sihloniphane ukuze ngizokwazi ukusho nami izinto engimele ngizisho la. Ya, mina ke ngizontshela abanzi nge-engineering nendlela ehluke ngayo bese ngani-advise ukuthi mhlawumbe kumele niphase kanjani ukuze nizokwazi ukuthi ningene kalula ema-varsity, yabo, bese kuba i-advice encane ngeke. Ya. Ngizontshela ngenhlobo le-engineering elifola under environmental engineering okuyi-civil engineering, yabo. Civil engineering iyona ke le responsible for imigwaqo la ukuthi akhiwa kanjani, ama-bridge, insimbi lezi esuke semacaleni la ama-guardrail ukuthi akhiwa kanjani, yabo. Abanye ke bakhetha ukuthi hayi sotela ngamanzi, indaba zokuthi amanzi yonke leyo nto ahamba kanjani, amaphampu, zonke lezo zinto. Bese bakhona i-mechanical ke umakheninga, ngicathi nonke niyabazi ke umakheninga, yabo. Bese bakhona ke ipower ibizwa nge-electrical, yabo. Abantu abafaka ugesi la, izigubhu zogesi ney'ntambo, labo bantu ababizwa obaba kabanibani. Cathi niyabazi ke nani abafaka ugesi, yabo. Nakhona yonke le engineering inama requirement akhona, yabo. engineering inama requirement akhona kodwa kuyahluka ama requirement ezikole nezikole yabo iUKZN ama requirement ase UKZN akazafani nawase UJ awase UJ akazafani nawase Duty MUT kanjalo nase Unizulu bese ke ngiya kwi electronics ke engineering edila nezinto ezincane kanje njengo ama laptop kanje ama phone yabo ukuthi isystem yakhona yogesi ihamba kanjani yabo bese kuba khona ke chemical idila ke nezinto lezi zama chemical ngicabanga ukuthi petrol ba manufacture kanjani imithi mhlambe yo dokotela kunemithi kodwa yabo uyayikhethela wena ekwenzeni wakhe chemical yakho ukuthi no mina ngifuna ukuspecialize ngala noma ngifuna ukufocus kakhulu kulama chemical kanje yabo ekuqhubekeni kwakho ukufunda bese kuba khona ke ngathini izinto yabo kwa engineering kunefaculty ekuthiwa engineering and built environment yabo kwi built environment kunamanye ama course ke before ungene engineering nje ukuthi masuku wakha la isikole kuzoqala kufika abantu abazoqala bacheck ukuthi soqale sibheke indawo ukuthi umhlabathi la uqine kanjani yabo yonke lonto before kwakhiwe bese kuba khona abanye yabo abazoqala ba design isikole ukuthi before kuze kube khona iphatho kumele iqale iphatho siyenze kanje akwama architect yabo ama architect ke yilaba abadwebayo izinto la ukuthi into before siyakhe yabo sifuna ukuthi ibuye kanje bese kufika ke o surveyor kuyibona abazofika bapopole la bapopole ukuthi umhlaba uqondile umhlabathi kanjani kumele kugundwe kugrade kanjani yonke leyo nto leyo yabo ya bese ke ngoba sengitshelile ngathi kwi-engineering maningi ahlukile ama requirement yabo njengase for example wenze eUKZN mhlawumbe bathi ukuze wenze i-engineering khona sifuna level 5 yabo kuzona kwi physics ne maths ama minimum requirement bese ke ezinye izifundo angeke sigxile kakhulu kuzo mhlawumbe sogxila English nakhona mhlawumbe 5 kuyaphezulu bese ke ama point ukuthi ukwazi ukubalansisa ke ukuthi nakulezi ngizifundo bele kwazi ukuthi 4 6 5 6 yabo lapho nalapho ungathi masuphase mhlawumbe uphase kakhulu imaths bese physics mhlawumbe uvela uyithi qa 2 noma 1 yabo nama ufika kumina mhlawumbe uzocela ukuthi ngikufake esikoleni noma ufuna ngikuapplyele angeke ngikwazi ukuvela ngikuapplyela ngenxa ukuthi yabo okwazanga ukubalansisa sekuzomela uqale phansi upgrade ke le yabo bese uyabuyela kumina ya kodwa ke mawubona nawe ukuthi awukwazanga mhlawumbe ukuthola ama level amakhulu njengo 30 something yabo ngoba ama level lawo nama point adingeka uma uzowenza ibachelor uyawazi uqala lapha ka diploma yabo diploma mhlawumbe 25 apply lapha ku diploma so diploma we degree yabo postgraduate honors masters kanjalo uqhubekele ephambili yabo bese kuba iadvise ke bafethu wena uthi niyiphathe kahle la matric sacrifice nje unyaka oyi1 yabo zame nje ukuthi mawubona ukuthi mhlawumbe iziningi izinto ezirong ozenzayo uthi ukuhlisa kancane mawuphuza kakhulu umbhema kakhulu uthi ukurelax nje kancane yabo unyaka nje oyi1 uthi ukuhlisela nje kancane ukuze ungagcina usuphelela la emgaqweni yabo manje into engekho right ngiyabonga
bafethu siyabonga ukuxolana so aba interested ku engineering sithinteni bafethu sizozama ukuthi sinike more information so kune course ke la ayijwayelekile and umuzo umuntu ekhala ngayo noma ekutshela ngayo vela athi hey khohle lo course mfana ngena izinja ngempela lapho yabo inini izinja ze game bafethu yabo into kanjalo so kufanele nibe nayo lo mentality ukuthi if ingane yakabani bani ingayenza into nami shoot ingayenza if ngiyithanda uyabo so we have a course ebizwa ngeactual science ngiyazi abantu abaningi ke bazoyishalazela because of ama requirement akhona but actual science is a career that uses mathematics and stats and in understanding risk so ku actual science kudilwa ne maths ne stats in such a way I requirement yakhona ukuthi uthole level 7 kwi-maths ne-physics. Uma ungenawo ayingeke ukwazi ukuthi yabo ungene khona yabo because kuzosetshenziswa nge-maths. So yona ke uzubona ukuthi interesting kangakanani. So yona ke it uses math ne-stats to understand risk and things that may happen in the future, especially about money. So ba check kakhulu i-stats semali nokuthi how does imali affect abantu. So then bese sithini ama-actuaries help companies predict how long people may live, how often accidents can happen, or how much money is needed for pension. For example, actuary helps an insurance company decide how much to charge for a car insurance or a life insurance. The company can so that the company can cover costs and make profits. So they work in business and govern plans for better future. So njoba sazi ukuthi kunomasingcwabisane nama-car no insurance beyimoto nani. So abantu okuyibona basiza iy'nkampani ukuthi ba-predicte lezo imali lezo noma ba-decide lezo imali ama-actual scientist uyabo. So yibona babheka ukuthi okay, if eSouth Africa izingozi nani ama-factors akhoza izingozi nani zonke lezi zinto lezo mangakanani. So kumele sibe nale mali engaka, abantu beyimoto siba-charge imali engaka ukuze sizokwazi ukucover ama-cost e-client bese sikwazi ukuthi senze ini i-profit. So it's really interesting career in such a way i-demand is very high khona. Bahola ukudlula odokotela labantu laba. So angifuni ukuthi kodwa niyele imali ke, but kufanele nazi ukuthi oqale imisebenzi yakhona angazi ichithwe phansi ngenxa ukuthi bambala abantu abayenzayo and futhi angifuni ukugxila kulokho okunye but bambala abantu abayenzayo ngenxa ukuthi i-knowledge yayo ayikho. So bakhona ke abantu abaphuma kulezi zikoleni ezifana lezi iphathwa abayenza la ma-career. So ningayibukeli phansi. So imisebenzi ke noma ama-industries include insurance, banking and financial services, investment and asset management, and pension and retirement funds. So awudlule kwakho into engifuna uyicacisa. So ama-institute ke oyitholakala e-UCT, e-Wits, e-UP nase-Stellenbosch, but akhona amanye ama-varsity etholakala kuyona. So ama-minimum requirement ngichazileke ukuthi u7 we-maths, u7 we-physics. Take it or leave it. It's possible. Then you need to have a strong performance in maths, in English. So you need mhlawumbe uthole u-A kuyaphezulu kwisingisi. Isingisi ke siyaphaseka. So one thing about actual science you should know abanganitsheli yona ukuthi actual science in terms of i-funding yakhona uNSFAS uyalimithana in such a way uzocover 50% kwi-accommodation. Thola ukuthi uzocover ama-tuitions but thola ukuthi i-rest awusenayo indawo yokuhlala. So it's better and advisable ukuthi u-applyele ini ama-bursary. So akhona ke ama-bursary bafethu. Mina ngifuna ama-bursary right ama-bursary. But ama-bursary afuna ukuthi uphase kakhulu ke e-varsity u-maintain nje standard sakho. So i-bursary ayimfuni umuntu ozolokhe ethi hayi ngizothola noma u50 yabo kanjalo. I-bursary ifuna ukuthi kumele uthole u-A, uthole u-A throughout. Then akhona ama-bursary abizwa nge-Momentum, Liberty Life, Hexagon Trust, Invested B. Ngeke ngigxile kakhulu kona. If you're interested kwi-actual science, nginabo abangani abenza i-actual science. So you can contact me ngikuxhumanise nawo. Then bese siyadlula kwi-agriculture, siye kwi-agriculture. Cathi bakhona abantu abenza agriculture like angithi. Yes. So i-agriculture ke okay. Agriculture bafethu. Kune course abayibiza nge-agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering design and develop agricultural machinery, irrigation systems, and smart farming techniques. Mesikhuluma nge-smart farming techniques. So niyazi ukuthi manje kwa farming sekuchelelwa ngama-drones. Yabo, kuchelelwa ngama-drones, basebenzisa ama-drone abasasebenzise kakhulu ama-pipe nani. Which means i-labor noma abasebenzi bayancipha kwa-agriculture. So uma ufunda agriculture ungafundeli ukuthi uyosebenza, but ufundela ukuthi ube njani, ube neplazi lakho. Noma wenze agricultural engineering whereby uzokwakha ama-structures noma izinto abayisebenzisayo kwa-agriculture njengogandaganda nazo zonke izinto. Nisazofunda ke i-handling ka-agriculture, nizoyibona ezinye izinto ezisetshenziswa ka-agriculture ukuthi kwenze umsebenzi. So ikhona ke i-UKZN i-right kakhulu nge-agriculture, i-UP bese kuba i-UFS, but akhona amanye ama-careers awukwazi ukuthi noma ama-institute okwazi ukungena kuwona. Then bese sibe ne-course ekuthiwa i-agronomy. Agronomy, which means crop science. Shuthi wena udila nani ney'tshalo nje kuphela kwa-agriculture. So nayo it's an interesting career because bathi study and improve crop production methods, develop better farming techniques and address soil health issues. So yona ke ufocusa kwini kumhlabathi ukuthi what can we do to the soil ukuze sikwazi ukuproduce. So siyazi ukuthi population inkulu kakhulu in such a way food security nayo iyaphazamiseka nani. So ukudla kuyi demand kakhulu njengoba uphuma la uyodla ngithi. So siyakudinga ukudla. So ngesikhathi sanda we need people abazokwenza sure ukuthi ukudla kuyatholakala na yonke lonto leyo. So if you're interested in plants not in the animal parts agriculture, now this is a course for you. When's in agronome? So itholakala as a what? As a bachelor, it's a bachelor in crop science in agriculture. So yeah, we demand kakhulu. Then in my institute, ikhona Stellenbosch, UFS, nase UL, University of Limpopo. Limpopo ke agriculture ishawe kakhulu. Then because nomhlabathi wakho no right. Then bese eyokugcina ka agriculture, ivet, udokotela oyilwane ngeke ngichaze kakhulu ngayo. Ivet enimele nikwazi ngayo ukuthi kwa vet ugcwele abelungu kuphela. In such a way, istat sithi 70 to 80% wama vets abelungu, which means odokotela beyilwane abagcwele abelungu. Which means wena njengomuntu omnyama unani unamathuba amaningi ukuthi wenze ini ivet. One thing about ivet ngiyazi mhlawumbe ukhona umuntu interested kwivet la. Itholakala eUP kuphela. UP kuphela, University of Ban of Pretoria. Yabo. So information crucial ke leyo eningathi baningi esasifunda nabo ababeyifuna ivet but abayenzi nje manje because they didn't have people abazobatshela ukuthi KZN ayikho ivet. Yabo. So itholakala eUP. So if ufuna ivet unote down ukuthi itholakala evet eUP kuphela. And the requirement ke yakhona iyafana nemedicine. Medicine eyilwane kahle. So you need to aim 40 points and above. Level 6 or 7 kwi-maths na ku-physics. So udokotela uyilwane. So iyafana nje nemedicine. It's just that ugxile eyilwaneni. But overall kuma course aka agriculture indlela i-competition isikhuphuke ngayo, you need to aim u-36 points kuya phezulu. 36 points kuya phezulu. Shoot aweqi ngaphansi kwa 36. Yabo. Yes, aweqi ngaphansi kwa 36. Labo abakhalayo iYunivesithi nizobona abantu bethola 100% umath ne-physics. Nibone ngempela ukuthi ziyakhala ngaphandle. Then so overall yona at least u-level 5 kuya phezulu kwi-maths ne-physics uma ufunda agriculture. But uma ufuna ivet uyazi ukuthi udokotela wani uyilwane. You need to aim 40 points and above. Then ku-health science I think it's third last yaka science le. Health science bafethu nawo i-industry ebroad kakhulu. So ngizozama ukuthi ngithi waqa. So bakhona abantu abaka health science la, yabo. So bakhona abantu health science. So if you are interested in health science, please pay focus on this. Then sibene dental science, i-dentist. Udokotela wani wamazinyo. So udokotela wamazinyo uyena ke owenza ini? Owenza show ukuthi if unenkinga emlomeni, bekumele kwenziwe surgery, uyakwazi ukuthi uxhumana nayi dentist, ikhipha amazinyo nazo zonke lezi zinto lezo. So i-dentist, dental scientist ifocusa kakhulu ekuthenini i-treat izifo zamazinyo noma izifo zasemlomeni. Then i-program bayibiza ngane dental science. So usually iba u5 years. Ikhona kuphi eUP, SMU. SMU iseFago Mogato University. Eyaka health kuphela le university. Which means mu apply kuyona ufuna uhealth usemathubeni amaningi ukuthi ungene kuyona because competition is not very high lapha yana. Then bese kuba iCPUT ikhona eCape Peninsula University. Then kube ne-dental therapy. So you need to know the difference between i-dentist ne-dental therapy. I-dental therapy ke yona udokotela wenza sure ukuthi si-preventa izifo zani zomlomo. So i-dental therapy yona ezotreata izifo zasemlomeni ozokwenza sure ukuthi uyakutshela ukuthi kumele uqhubhe kangakanani if mhlawumbe kunesifo ophila naso. Okufanele wenze sure ukuthi you prevent izifo ezithile. So if you wanna be that person ozokwazi ukuthi avule ifem noma ipractice ukuthi afundise abantu ngezifo zomlomo ukuze bengayitholi, kumele wenze ini i-dental therapy. So yona ke ijwayele ukuthi ibe u3 to 4 years. Then itholakala eUKZN, SMU nase University of Western Cape, but nakamanye ama-varsity ikhona. Then bese siba ne-bachelor of pharmacy. I-pharmacy ngeke ngigxile kakhulu kuyona, but umuntu wavula uClicks umuntu oyi-pharmacist yabo, but waba ne-business mind. So into engizonitshela yona kwa health njengomuntu waka health, ufuna ungena ka health ube nomqondo ukuthi ufuna ukuyisebenza uzivulele ipractice yakho because imisebenzi nakhona ayikho, but uba ne-advantage if uzoba umuntu ozoba ne-mindset ukuthi ufuna ukuyisebenza uvule i-practice, uyabo. So then into ebalulekile kakhulu futhi ka-pharmacy ukuthi noma ka-health ukuthi uspecialize entweni ethize, then uma uspecialize-ke uzoba semathubeni because uzobe ungasi umuntu o-general. Then itholakale i-NMU, SMU, UP, abayazi i-pharmacy bayazi ukuthi i-pharmacy idila nje nemithi, uyabo. Then bese kuba ne-Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science. I-Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science yona udokotela lo waselab. So what happens if i-patient ifika esibhedlela kumina as a doctor, mina njengodokotela ngizokwenza njani, ngizothatha amagazi ngithi bese amagazi ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi yini le gulisa i-patient kangaka, bese iyahamba lo gazi lelo noma ibe fluid ethathiwe kwi-patient iye kwi-lab. I-medical laboratory scientist yona ezobe si-analyze ukuthi if there's a virus yini ela kuleli gazi, then uzobe setshela udokotela, then udokotela uzobe seyazi ukuthi yiphi medication ekufanele ngiyisebenzise for the specific virus, uyabo. So it's very interesting and inamathuba amaningi because abantu ka science noma ko health abayiboni le cause le, but it plays a crucial role kuma patient. So itholakala SCPUT, SMU nase UKZN. Then bese siyadlula bafethu ngengigcile kakhulu kwi medicine. Medicine mufuna ukwenza medicine awungeke unga aim 40 points, aim 43 and above. 43 and above points and aim level 7 kwi maths ne physics. Actually aim level 7 kuzo zonke izifundo. So angeke ngigcile kakhulu ke kwi medicine, but mhlawumbe ngeke ngibone izingane ezidideka ukuthi uma ufuna ukuba i-cardiologist, udokotela wenhliziyo, awuyiko wenza i-cardiologist kuphela, but uyayenza i-degree uqale wenze ini iyona i-medicine bese kuyima uyu-specializer after nakhona 9 years, yabo. But ngesigcile kakhulu kulokho ngoba kuzonithusa. Uma ufuna ukwenza i-medicine woza ka-medicine ku-right. Then ama-minimum requirements kwa-health, uma ufuna ukwenza u-health bafethu ngicela u-aim 40 points. Aim 40 points ukuze uzoba right because the competition is very high. And then you aim level 7 and level 6 kwi-maths. Then bese sesiqedile ngo-health. Then there are 2 industries okugcina nci ebesifisa ukuwa introduce i-maritime industry. I-maritime industry, this industry is a very interesting industry ngenxa yokuthi abantu bayibuka ngokuthi kusetshenzwe emanzini kuphela, but inawo amathuba emisebenzi le industry abantu bayithatha kancane, abantu abayazi. So i-maritime industry it plays a crucial role in facilitating the transportation of goods and energy and people across the world. So i-maritime industry senza kakhulu ngemkhumbi, senza kakhulu ngolwandle, but it doesn't mean ukuthi kunemisebenzi yakhona kuphela e-based emanzini, but kuma-hub uyakwazi ukuthi usebenze ekutheni operate la logistics asoyigcwele lapha nama-container. So it's just that broad. But kwi-maritime industry uthola i-marine biology, whereby uzoba udokotela wani wey'lwane zasemanzini. Marine biology ke yona it's basically study impilo yani noma ecosystem yakuphi yasemanzini ukuthi yini esingazenza ukuze sinciphise i-pollution yakuphi yasemanzini. Then bese siba ne-marine engineering. Marine engineering it focuses ekuthenini yakhe imkhumbi na wonke ama-structures ekusetshenzwa ngawo kuphi lapha emanzini. So if you are interested kwi-engineering but eyasemanzini uyakwazi ukuthi uyenze in le course ukuze uzokwazi. Then mudlula sibe ne-Bachelor of Nautical Science. If ufuna ukuba ucaptain omkhumbi, so ingane mikhulu yethi ufuna ukuba ucaptain omkhumbi but ayazi ukuthi yini engayenza ukuze ngibe ucaptain noma umshayeli womkhumbi. Nayi ke course ofanele uyenze if you wanna be a captain of a ship. Yini i-Bachelor of Nautical Science. It focuses students in navigating the ship and operation. So it's basically ikufundisa nje ukuthi wenze njani ukwazi ukudrive umkhumbi nazo zonke izinto ezikhona ezama-factors olwandle. So uqala as a first uqala njenge-third mate uye ku-second bese uya ku-captain which is the first mate. So i-last number ke leyo. So ukuze ube ucaptain kumele ugcine udlulele kulama processes. Then ama-institutes itholakala kuphela ama-marine industries noma ama-course aka-maritime atholakala eDuty nase-Cape Peninsula. ethi uthi uthola idiploma yakhona then udlulele kuphi eCape Peninsula, but if uzophasa kahle uyakwazi ukuthi wenze ibachelor kuphi eCape Peninsula, so itholakala lapho kuphela. So kuma requirements ayibizi kakhulu in terms of requirement because i-competition ayikho kakhulu, but you should aim at least above 30 points, at least above 35 kahle kahle ukuze uzoba namathuba amaningi, bese uba no level 5 ku-maths ne-physics at least. But uqala la, that is your start point. Ama-marks okumele uwathole kuphi ka-first term lawo. Aviation it's the last yokugcina, but information yakhona i-crucial kakhulu. Aviation, so kunabantu engazi ukuthi ba-interested kwi-aviation la noma kumabhanoyi nani. So how do you become a pilot? How do you become a pilot? So abantu bahlezi bezibuza lo mbuzo. So to become a pilot, you need to pass all the required. Ngicela uyifunda nje ngesiZulu lento le. So ukuze ube pilot, okokuqala aviation ayitholakala ema-varsity, itholakala kuma-private schools. Ma-private schools iwona azo offer. So eUKZN ayikho aviation. Unga-apply uthi kuse ukuthi ufuna ukushayela ibhanoyi ayikho. Itholakala kuma-private schools sizowabala la, but amanye niwazi ukuthi nisibuze eceleni. So ukuze ungene ka-aviation first kunama-test enziwayo ukuze ube umuntu ozokwazi ukuvumeleka ukuthi uyofundela ukushayela ibhanoyi njengama-medical test. So ama-medical test uzozibuza ukuthi why kumele ngenze ama-medical test. So ebhanoyini akufanele lapho uhambe nebhanoyi kade unesifo sokuwa, yabo unesifo sokuwa thothi manje ibhanoyi selilapha phezulu usuyadlikiza, yabo into kanjalo, noma une-epilepsy into kanjalo usuyadlikiza. So ama-medical test mune-diabetes awuyenzi, munenkinga amehlo awuyenzi. So ukuze ukwazi ukuyenza i-pilot wazi ukuthi uzoqala wenze ini i-medical test na wonke kama-test ozowenza ukuze ube qualified. Then oqala kama-steps uzoqala uthola i-license ebizwa nge-PPL, but this information ozoyithola khona isathe ngifuna ukwazi ukutshengisa ukuthi awuvela uthi hayi uyoshayela ibhanoyi kuphela. Uzoqala uthole ini i-license ebizwa nge-PPL. I-PPL it's a first class ukuthi nami ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiyithole just ukuthi ngishayele i-helicopter yami. So muwenza i-PPL awukwazi ukuthi ube yi-commercial noma ushayela amabhanoyi lo ukutravelisa abantu. Then mase ibe ne-license esibizi ebesibiza nge-commercial. Commercially this is where you can be able to work as a pilot. Usebenzele iy'nkampani lezi zama-pilot ezokwazi ukuthi uqashwe uhambise abantu eGoli noma even international. Then if you want to specialize ekuthenini ugcinisa uba indlondlo yama-pilot, wenza inakhunjani i-license ebizwa ngani nge-airline transport pilot license. So i-last number ke le yama-license ukwazi ukuthi ube ukapteni 1 webhanoyi. So iningi ke information yakhona which is interesting, but njengamanje ngicathi into ebalekile ukuthi uthole yona le information ukuthi kumele wenze uqala ama-license akhona then kuyima ukwazi ukwenza khona. Then kwa-aviation ke awenzi ibhanoyi kuphela noma awushayela ibhanoyi kuphela, but you can be an air traffic controller uzocontrola amabhanoyi ukuthi ahambe ngomzila and ensure that ukuthi i-weather yakhona ibhanoyi mele lizophuma aliphumi i-weather ingekho right. Then uyakwazi ukwenza naleyo course. Then aeronautical engineering, yes, le engineering ke yilabantu abenza amabhanoyi. So if une-interest ukuthi wenza amabhanoyi na yonke i-machinery esetshenziswa ka-aviation specifically wenza yona le course le. Then I think course yokugcina la ku-aviation air traffic maintenance and air traffic maintenance engineering. So muwenze le course ke what you usually do is to maintain amabhanoyi. So amabhanoyi lapha esikoleni kunamabhanoyi etrainwa ngawo. So akufanele kube namabhanoyi lama-student azowagebela kanti thothi ibhanoyi lilinenkinga. And even ibhanoyi commercial mele before lisuke mele kwenziwe sure ukuthi kwenziwa ama-test for lelo bhanoyi ukuthi li-right. So we need those people abazokwenza sure ukuthi sithi mesindize sikhululekile, uyabo into kanjalo. So if you wanna maintain amabhanoyi, there is the program you wanna do. So angeke ngigxile kakhulu kwi-aviation because inemithetho yakhona kakhulu, but ama-institute ngicela uyilalele le ama-institute ikhona Intellect Training and Consultation Aviation Consultant ese-Germiston e-Gauteng Province. Bese kuba khona i-Starlight Aviation Training Academy ikhona e-KZN. Then bese kuba i-Mega Aero Training Academy Aviation Training Institute, iJameson, nakhona ikhona lapha eGauteng. Then bese kuba nane ne 43A school esePort Alfred, I think Eastern Cape. Yona ke lejwayelekile. Nala emagethi ikhona inakhunjana. What you call this thing? Isikole, not isikole but indawo yamabhanoyi siyabalela igama. Indawo yamabhanoyi. De laphana ke emagethi uyakwazi ukuthi uye khona bakunike information. I know people ababefunda la abakwazi ukuthola information bangixhumanisana nabakhona. Awukwazi ukuthi uthole information more about inakhunjana. So ngicathi sesiqedile. Oh, then ama minimum requirements e-aviation. Awudlule kwa. Ama minimum requirements e-aviation overall, you need to ukuthola u-level 5 kwi-maths ne-physics. Then kwisingisi sakho bathi kumele isingisi ke sibe right kakhulu. So ngicathi sesiqedile ke. Angeke ngisagxila kakhulu ke ma encouragement. Bafethu fanele inakele ka matric. Okay, I know siyabonga ngeke ngisaqeda.
Sibonga kakhulu. Ngicela